Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Avensis 2009 to 2018? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The passenger compartment fuse box, number 1 in the Toyota Avensis, 2009 to 2018, houses essential circuits for interior electronics, including power outlets, lighting, and key control modules. It ensures stable power distribution to major cabin features while protecting them from electrical overloads. The fuse box number 2 supports additional interior systems, managing circuits for comfort, communication, and auxiliary controls. The additional fuse box handles extra electrical loads for specialized or optional interior features. The relay box number 1 manages key electrical relays that control high current interior systems such as heating, lighting, and power functions. The relay box number 2 contains relays that support secondary interior systems, helping manage power-intensive components. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Avensis, 2009 to 2018, protects and distributes power to critical engine and drivetrain systems, including ignition, fuel, and cooling components. It ensures reliable operation while safeguarding circuits from overloads and short circuits. The engine compartment relay box houses relays that control high current engine and drivetrain components, such as the starter, fuel pump, and cooling fans. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.